Welcome to our mini lesson. Today's lesson is about mindset of Go game and chess. I have lots of students and they always want to fight, always want to kill. So let's talk about why this happened and how to improve. First, the purpose of Go game is to survive, not to fight. There are two big parts about survive. The first one and the most important one is try to developing try to develop more territory because if you have more territory, you can have eyes and you can have space to survive. And they are three important concepts related to territory. The first one is cornerstone. Cornerstone is what it's where you start from. And so usually it start from the corner area in Go game board. And the second concept is framework. That means you use extra pieces and develop your framework based on your cornerstone, like the lower part of black, upper part of the black, left, white, right, white. And the third part is about the boundary. So once you have your framework, you will finally secure your boundary, like the left side and the lower side, but the upper side, the boundary is not very clear yet, so you still need to finish. Okay, and but when you play Go game, uh, it's not necessary to have a fight. So, but usually conflict is inevitable. So let me introduce the art of the war, the chapter 3, attack by stratagem. And that can help us to understand conflict. So we talk about the purpose is to get more territory, and but conflict inevitable. And in Art of the War, it mentioned that when you are 10-1 to your opponent, you can try to surround your opponent. When you are 5-1 to your opponent, you attack your opponent. When you're 2-1 to your opponent, you try to divide it. And when you are equal to your opponent, you can offer a battle. And if you are less than your opponent, you flee. And if you are very weak, try to avoid the conflict. Basically, chess is only limited to equal part situation. And but if you play Weiqi, Go game, well, you have a lot of strategy. Go game is a game of number. That means if you choose the wrong strategy or stratagem, your number will go down. You get less and less points. So for Go game, get more territory and deal with conflict resolution. Know your enemy, know yourself.